Welcome to My Data Stories, a channel which is dedicated to Power BI demos. Today's topic is logical, which is a Power BI function. Is logical, check if a value is logical value, true or false, and return true or false. So what we have done a calculation on the Power BI, and basically it just we have bought some products and we have sold them. So we want to know whether we have made profit. So this is our buying price and this is our selling price. So what we want to check if our selling price greater than our buying price, we have made profit. Yeah. So let's create a measure. So we're gonna call our measure ISLOGICAL, and we're gonna use the DAX function, which is ISLOGICAL. So what we want to check now, we want to check whether our total selling price is greater than our total buying price, and if this is correct, we have made profit, else we have made loss. So let's do that. So don't forget, we have done our calculation for the total selling price, so we're just gonna call that calculation here, which is total selling price, which is there. So that's our calculation, and check whether this is greater than our total buying price. So these are our total buying. So we are testing logical test, which is if the total selling price is greater than total buying price, then what happens here? So if it's greater, we have made the profit, or if it's less than that, we have made loss, and we do know we have made profit here. So we're just gonna open a new tab. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring our buying price, the card. So we bought item cost 150. And we have which sold them 300. We'll give a 300 there, and our profit is 300 minus 150, which give us 150. And we want to check if the total selling price is greater than the total buying price, which you know is greater. And if it's greater, we have made the profit, and if it's not, we have not made the profit, we have made the loss basically. So now we're gonna bring our function, which you have used, ISLOGICAL. So if you cannot find it, sometimes you can just do a quick search here and then you bring it. So this is what we just calculated, ISLOGICAL demo. So you wanna bring a card, and this card will give us the message if we have made the profit or not. And we do know, we are expecting we have made the profit, because so you know the total selling price is greater than the total buying price. Yeah, so let's bring that there. Okay, there we go. So that's a logical there, we have made the profit. Yeah. So that is how to use ISLOGICAL, and this is very applicable, especially when you're working in the business. You can put this kind of DAX function, and it's very, very quick to know, whether you have made profit or anything else. Yeah. So you can see how we have done that. Yeah. So a quick recap. So we have calculated the total buying price and the total selling price, and we wanted to check whether the total selling price is greater than the total buying price, and if it's greater, we have made the profit. So that's a true, and if we have not made the profit, that is what we get there. So thank you so much for watching My Data Stories TV, which is dedicated a channel for the Power BI demos. Yeah, take care.